everybody, Carolina Lezon here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Wednesday, May 2nd of 2012, and we are here about to do some technical analysis on their Q's chart again. So let's get started. Let's take a look at their chart and let's see what happened here today. Wow! Beautiful test of that 8 moving average right here, which you see here in green, and we are beautifully bouncing off of it to the upside, closing the day higher. Okay, but we're at resistance. We are still struggling at this area of resistance, the 67.20 mark. We never broke through it back again here today, but we are closing the day below it. So this is an area of resistance that you need to pay close attention to, because as you can see, it's pretty strong. Okay, so it's 67.20. That's the magic number. So write it down and make sure you have a trend line over the 67.20 on your chart so that you can see it once we try to break through it again. All right, again, beautiful bounce off of that lower area of support down here, 8 moving average, and we are finishing the day higher. But according to that low pullback that we had here, we're still continuing lower. We are still making lower lows right here. Okay, even though we are bouncing off of a significant area of support, we're still continuing to make lower lows. So that is what we see here happening. All right, and the other thing that I want you to pay close attention to tomorrow is the next moving average down, which is here, the 50-day moving average, which you see here in dark red. So that is another significant area of support on our way down if we do ever pull lower. Okay, so that is what you need to pay close attention to, because if we do ever break through that 50-day moving average, then if we ever break through and then close below it, we would be in trouble big time. We would head back towards that next area of support down here, 65.10, which would fill that unfilled gap. Okay, back from April 25th. We have still that unfilled gap right here, so we are heading towards it, even though we are closing the day higher here, but we are still continuing to make lower lows. So that's what I just mentioned to you. And then again, 67.20, that's the magic number. Make sure you have it there and ready for you for tomorrow. And then also the 50-day moving average, because those two are key areas of support and resistance. And then the other thing I want you to look at is the MACD. Look at the MACD. The MACD is continuing flat. So we are still above the zero line, as we talked about yesterday. We are still staying above it, which means that we're in a bullish territory, but definitely slowing down. The MACD is flat, so it's not telling us anything. It's not confirming anything at this moment. It's getting ready for a major move up or down, so pay close attention to that little guy, because this is our friend. Okay, so whatever we see happening on the chart, we need to see the MACD confirming it. And then look down at the volume. The volume bars are still way below the average, so we're trading on a pretty small volume, not really significant. I want to see spikes in volume just like we saw right here a few weeks ago. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. So all right, yeah, so that's all that I have for you for today. Hope it helps you. Safe trading to all of you, and I will see you again tomorrow.